Have you actually been posting videos on YouTube without knowing the value of those videos? Have you been scrolling through people's video or watching video with your data without knowing that that data you are using to watch those videos is actually converting into cash for those people you are watching those videos from? This video is for you, and if you decide to skip this video, you are left on your own. If you know you want to make this money 2025, this is another strategy and opportunity for you to embrace. Yes, you are finding a legit side hustle to make money this 2025 without going far. You are in the right place. Here today, I'm going to be talking about how to make legitimate money from YouTube this 2025 without going to search far or go to far away places. YouTube is a social platform that brings users all over the world together just by watching short videos or long form videos. First of all, before I go into the main topic, what aim do you have when you are entering YouTube? Is it to watch video or to make money from the video you are posting? If you actually know that your aim is to make money by posting videos on YouTube, this video is for you. And now, what am I going to be talking about today? Today I'm going to talk about the things that you need to achieve before you can be able to start making money from YouTube. Firstly, you have to discover the kind of niche which you are going to go for. Is it for comedy? Is it for blogs? Is it for tech? Is it for business or advertisement? Or which one are you going to go? Is it that you want to advertise business products? You have to actually choose a niche which you are going for. Like my own niche, which I actually focus on presently, is comedy. And I usually post short videos or short reels of comedy on my channel in order to attract or boost more viewers to link them to subscribe to my channel. After identifying the kind of niche which you belong to, or let me rather say the category of videos which you want to be posting on YouTube, here are 3 things you need to do. The first step is having a good camera or a good camera phone with a good video quality that will be able to shoot you and give you a clearer version of the video you are going to shoot. Secondly, making sure you are consistent on posting. YouTube doesn't actually just take videos that are once in a while posted viral. It takes time before you can be able to actually start getting views on YouTube. But still, you don't have to give up. Like me now, I'm just beginning as a YouTuber, and I've actually been posting some series of comedy skits on my channel so as to entice more subscribers and views. And I can see that I'm actually having massive results. Take a look at this video I just posted, almost going to 5,000 views. So you can see it's something to begin with. So if you actually think you have the mind or you have the determination to make money from YouTube, you don't have to give up. That's the second thing. And thirdly, make sure you monitor the kind of videos you post in order to avoid being copyrighted or being banned from YouTube channel. Now, after these 3 things you have done, you have to also know that YouTube pay by reaching the monetization threshold. And what are the requirements you need before you can be able to reach the monetization threshold? Reaching monetization threshold on YouTube isn't a day job, and it can actually be a day job. Yes, the reason why I put it in these 2 conditional statements is that luck can actually be on your side on YouTube, in the sense that a single video can get you monetized. And luck can also be on your side on YouTube, in the sense that after posting series of videos for some time, you finally get your monetization. Don't allow this to be a scary aspect to you or a discouragement to you. You can actually start by doing this. And what are the things you need to know as requirement before you can get monetized on YouTube? The first thing is that you have to choose the kind of videos you want to post. Is it short videos or long form videos? If you're actually going for short form videos, that means you are going to meet up with the requirement of posting consistently on your shorts in order to attain 10 million valid short views in the last 90 days. 10 million valid short views in the last 90 days. Then the second requirement is posting long form videos. If you're actually for the long form videos, you have to attain 4,000 watch hours. Here are the 1 or 2 requirements you need to focus on before you can actually get monetized on YouTube. But you need to know that in order for you to be able to follow these 2 guidelines, you need to have this at the back of your mind that you must have up to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And this isn't a big deal. Don't be afraid as a beginner. Like I am now, I'm not having up to 1,000 subscribers yet, but I'm hoping so that with time and my persistency in doing this, I will get more than that. So why will you give up on that? After making sure you have 1,000 subscribers, just as I said earlier, you must have either 10 million valid short views or 4,000 watch hours combined with your 1,000 subscribers. One thing again you need to take into consideration when shooting your videos on YouTube is you have to be careful of the kind of videos you post. If it's a self video, fine and good, but you have to know the kind of music or any kind of thing you put in your video in order to avoid copyright issues. Because one thing that YouTube always takes strictly with video creators is copyright. They don't want any kind of infringement on anybody's product or anybody's creation in order for you to just say you copy and use that person's work for your work, which I can actually say is known as plagiarism in a field of research. YouTube doesn't even value that at all. Once they cite any instance of copyright on your channel, they are going to give it a strike. And anything that make your channel have a strike, that's is gone for your monetization. You have to just wait for some certain amount of time again to get monetized again. So after all these criteria, you can actually go ahead, start shooting your videos without having any problem with YouTube, making sure that your video is not copyrighted and making sure you are posting consistently. Actually, in order to make sure you achieve all this, you can actually draft a timetable. Posting consistently on YouTube doesn't actually mean you are going to be posting every day. You can actually select a schedule for yourself, like Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays to be posted, or even weekends. Just make sure at least in a week you have 2 valid posts, be it a short video, be it a long form video. And with all these steps I give you, you can give it a try, and within the next 1 to 2 months, your channel will just get monetized. So this is how YouTube strategy work. It's just a very simple process. Get a very clear camera phone, make sure you shoot videos that don't have copyright issues, and make sure you are consistent. One thing about YouTube is that you don't have to give up. If you give up, you fuck up. Now who give up, now you fuck up. You'll be looking at a lot of BB creators that are making money, hearing the amount of money they make. They actually started from somewhere. Actually, who knows whether you also can become one. It's not even a matter of fact, it's a matter of time. Within a just short period of time, if you are consistent on your channel, you start making the dollars that BB creators are also making. And this is actually something that I would like to tell you today. If you know that you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, which is Waxboy. And I'm also going to be dropping very funny content for you to be watching in order to make your eyes feel very satisfied, and also making sure that you don't miss in my channel. And if you don't also want to miss in my channel, you can actually go ahead and also hit the subscribe button to make sure I'll be shooting videos like this, videos related to YouTube monetization, and also videos related to this based on your YouTube channel growth, which I'm going to be dropping persistently on my channel. Thanks very much for watching.